The Auckland Metro Rail network is a big part of Auckland's transport system. It's relied on by thousands of train users who use over 600 train services a day to get around Auckland City. We also move freight, 6 million tonnes a year in fact, and Auckland is the starting point of these trains carrying domestic goods to the rest of the country. There's over 200 kilometres of track between Swanson and Pukekohe, and in the same way that the road surfaces deteriorate, the track becomes worn over time and needs to be repaired. Recent testing has shown that a particular type of damage, rolling contact fatigue, has become increasingly prevalent on the Auckland Metro Rail network. It occurs when the stress created between the rail and the rolling wheel of a train causes minor cracks to develop, and those cracks then grow. The damage is widespread across the network, with about 1/4 of rail needing to be either replaced or repaired with specialist grinding equipment. We are currently investigating what's causing the problem to be so severe. While we're looking into that, our main priority is just to get on with the work and get it fixed. This is going to be a big job and will take around 6 months to complete. Speed restrictions are in place across the network to help reduce more wear on the track and ensure trains can continue safely until the repairs are completed. Work done in a 14-day track closure could take more than 100 days if done at night and over the weekends. The sooner we can get the work done, the sooner we can get the trains operating on the usual timetable. We understand that closures and extended journey times are frustrating for our train users, and we apologise for this. However, the work simply must get done and will ultimately provide a better rail network for our city. And like you, we are looking forward to seeing the work completed, and we thank you for your understanding as we continue to upgrade the Auckland Metro Rail network.